Do some people die in this lifetime and never have any of these experiences? Oh, the majority. The majority. 99.99, and they're all restored to life only to die again. Now here, see, now take this as a good hint. If you're here, all right, and thank you for sticking around. You're gonna really appreciate that you did, and you're mastering the law, and you master the law, and you create a wonderful, comfortable, and yet happy life. You're in love. You're married. You have children. You're in a new house. Everything's wonderful. You have wealth. You have health. 99%, 0.999, aren't doing this. They're then your soldiers. They're then your automatons. You're the imaginer. They're the ones who aren't using their imagination. So as I described in the law series on the board, their imaginations are open for your occupation. You then become very wealthy if that's what you want, because you can create all kinds of things to serve the masses. There's a lot of opportunity when you know the law. There is a lot of opportunity when you practice and master the use of the law. Period. Law of assumption.